Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the device settings where saved passwords live. On an iPhone or iPad, tap Settings then Passwords. On a Mac, open System Settings then Passwords. Once there, you must authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode so the system verifies it's you. This step protects accounts, so make sure you use the device that's signed into your Apple ID. After authentication, you'll see a searchable list of saved logins. Proceed to locate entries labeled Apple or Appleid, Apple.com. Once you've opened passwords, use the search box to type Apple, Appleid, or the email tied to your Apple ID to narrow results. Tap or click the matching entry to view the saved login page and account details. The password field is masked until you explicitly reveal it. When you choose Show Password, the device will prompt you again for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This double check ensures only an authenticated owner can see the password in plain text. If you can't view the saved password because authentication fails or the password isn't stored, reset it rather than trying to bypass protections. On a trusted device, go to Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow password, and Security, right arrow change password, or visit iForget. Apple.com from a browser and follow the recovery steps. Make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled on your devices and you have access to your trusted phone or device for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.